All right, it's a money-making question. What do I think about affiliate marketing and blogging? Affiliate marketing is nothing more than you're acting as a middle person. You are working with a vendor, you're choosing a product that you believe in, you want to promote, right? And maybe you promote that through your email list, through online, through social media. Then every single time, let's say it's $100 worth of product, price point $100, and then you promote it, maybe you get a 5%, 10%, 20% commission. So every single time you refer someone to the vendor and they make a purchase, you earn what I call an affiliate commission. Blogging, you've seen those before, right? Long article, short article on a simple blog, maybe a WordPress, right? Powered by WordPress, pretty simple. Both models are fine. I mean, both, I do a little bit of both actually. I have a blog on download.com. It's quite popular and we're adding a lot of content to it all the time. More as a branding, right, and traffic generation strategy. I don't view that as a business, but for some, I mean, I do have a few friends who are doing quite well as a bloggers. I mean, I say quite well, you know, maybe 6-figure a year, right? They make decent money as a blogger. And then you have people who are affiliate marketers that are promoting other people's products and they do very well. My take is they are better as a part of your strategy. They are part of your maybe a secondary revenue stream versus a primary. The reason I say that is because let's say you've got your own business, you're selling products. Let's say you have an e-commerce business, okay? You're selling your own products, you're doing all of that. And you're building a list. You could add a blog to your e-commerce store to generate more interest, to generate more traffic so that people would see your store. Or within your blog, if you want to, you could have AdSense on there. So when people who don't buy your products, they're not interested in your products. So at least you're making revenue from Google. So that's your revenue stream. That's okay. That's free money. That's cool. Now, on the other hand, if you have an e-commerce store where you have a lot of customers coming in, and let's say you are selling survival kit, you know, with an emergency kit, maybe a flashlight, a little package like that. Let's say that's what you sell online. You sell little knives, right? Which, by the way, is a very good business, very profitable business. And that's what you're selling. And you have 30, 40,000 customers that you've accumulated over the years. So that's good. So you have your primary business, but you can have a secondary business as an affiliate marketing business because you have all these customers. So maybe then you could do an affiliate launch to your list and say, hey, you know, for those you've bought these emergency kit, survival kit from me, here is some other products that maybe you would be interested in. You know that these products is complementary to what you're offering, not in competition, right? It complements what you're offering and your customers will appreciate it. So you have your primary business that is driving the sales, but then you have almost like a secondary revenue stream, also a traffic generation strategy through your blog. And then from time to time, if you want to, you can also offer other people's products to your list, to your customers. That's affiliate marketing. So you see, as a secondary revenue source, I think it's great. As a primary revenue source, I think sometimes it's not so good because it takes a lot of effort to make a blog profitable. It takes a long time and you can produce a lot of content, and most bloggers don't make a whole lot of money. They make a little bit of money here and there, but not enough for them to pay all the bills, to make a full-time living doing it. Or affiliate marketing. The problem with affiliate marketing is it fluctuates. When you promote something, you make money. When you don't promote something, you lose money, right? Unless you are promoting something that gives you recurring income. Let's say you're promoting hosting. You're promoting something, a software that you're actually getting paid on a recurring basis. That's a different story, right? But even then, you need to spend money, you need to spend effort, and spend time to drive that traffic. So it takes a lot of effort. So I like it as a secondary, not as a primary strategy. Let me know what other questions you might have when it comes to internet marketing, online marketing. These are very basic questions. If you ask more advanced questions, I could answer those for you. But unfortunately, most of my viewers, you're a beginner. So give me a better question and I'll give you a better answer. Go ahead, comment below.